Welcome back, the place where we discuss how everyday people like you and me can elevate their lives through smart financial decisions. If you've ever wondered how to break free from the chains of financial struggle and create the kind of life, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to share some real success stories of people who've achieved financial freedom through strategic investments. You might be surprised at how simple decisions, when made strategically, can change your life forever. But first, let me ask you a question. Have you ever thought about what financial freedom really looks like? For many of us, it's not about millions of dollars or living lavishly. It's about living life on our terms. It's about being able to wake up in the morning and do what you want, without the constant stress of living paycheck to paycheck or working a job you hate. That's exactly what these three individuals did. Let's start with Sarah. Sarah, a single mother of two, had never considered herself a wealthy person. She worked long hours as a nurse, but at the end of the month, there wasn't much left to save. One day, while discussing her finances with a friend, she learned about real estate investing. It wasn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a strategy to build wealth over time. After doing her research, Sarah realized that purchasing rental properties could give her the passive income she needed to support her family. Now, this wasn't easy. Sarah didn't have a lot of money up front, so she started by researching neighborhoods where properties were undervalued. She found a fixer-upper that she was able to purchase with a small loan, then put in the work to renovate it herself. By focusing on properties that needed a little TLC, she could buy them at a lower cost and increase their value with some sweat equity. 5 years later, Sarah owns 10 properties and her monthly rental income covers all of her living expenses. She's now able to spend more time with her kids and pursue hobbies she once had to put on hold. Her journey wasn't about overnight success. It was about making consistent, educated decisions over time. Mark's story is another great example of the power of patience and persistence. Mark was fresh out of college, burdened with student loans, and wasn't sure how to escape the trap of living paycheck to paycheck. Instead of being discouraged, Mark turned to the stock market. While his friends were splurging on the latest gadgets, Mark started educating himself about investing. He didn't jump into high-risk stocks or try to time the market. He took a slow, steady approach, investing small amounts into index funds, investments that track the overall market. At first, Mark didn't see huge returns, but over time, his consistent contributions began to grow, and the compound interest worked in his favor. Mark didn't panic during market downturns. He stayed the course. By the time he was in his 30s, Mark had accumulated enough wealth through his investments to quit his day job. The key takeaway here is that Mark didn't look for quick wins. He focused on long-term, steady growth. That consistency paid off, and today he's financially independent, using his time to travel and explore the world. Lastly, Jenna's story might surprise you, because it involves cryptocurrency. Like many people, Jenna was skeptical about Bitcoin and the crypto market when she first heard about it. But instead of writing it off, she decided to invest a small portion of her savings in Bitcoin when the price was low. A lot of people at the time thought it was just a bubble, and some of her friends told her she was throwing her money away. But Jenna didn't let the fear of uncertainty stop her. She knew that, like any other investment, she had to do her own research and be willing to take risks. By holding on to her investments and staying patient, Jenna saw her net worth soar as Bitcoin's price surged in 2021. The key to Jenna's success wasn't just getting in early. It was the willingness to ride through volatility without panicking. Cryptocurrency is still a highly speculative market, but for Jenna, her calculated risk turned into a major win. Today, she has the financial freedom to follow her passion and even start her own tech business. An opportunity that would have been much harder to pursue without the financial cushion created by her strategic investments. So, what do these three success stories have in common? It's not luck. It's not overnight success. The common thread is patience, persistence, and strategic decision-making. Each of these individuals took calculated risks, educated themselves on different investment avenues, and stuck to their plans despite setbacks. They didn't let the fear of failure hold them back. And that's a crucial lesson for all of us. If you're inspired by these stories, I want you to remember this. Financial freedom isn't reserved for the rich or the lucky few. It's achievable for anyone who's willing to educate themselves, take action, and stay consistent. Whether it's real estate, stocks, crypto, or even starting your own business, the key is to start small, stay consistent, and always be learning. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these investment strategies resonates with you the most? Are you leaning towards real estate, or are you interested in stocks or crypto? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. And if you enjoyed this video and want more stories and strategies that will help you elevate your life, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We're just getting started, and I want to help you take those first steps toward your own financial freedom. And don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who might need a little inspiration today. Check out the videos on the screen now for more insights on how you can achieve financial freedom and elevate your life. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial success.